Harry Potter fans know all about the mandrake root and its deadly screams. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make edible mandrakes that can be used as cake or cupcake toppers or simply served in a candy dish. They're fun, easy, and they look and taste great. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. I truly believe that family is built at the dinner table. So here we cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my edible mandrakes, the ingredients I'll be using are Kraft Caramels, fine ground dry espresso, and artificial greenery. I start by pressing 2 caramels together to make the basic shape and then smooth out the line where they connect. Your mandrakes can be any shape you want. Next, I'm going to make the mouth. You can use any tool in your kitchen that is kind of shaped like a U. I'm going to try 3 different ones: an oval-shaped measuring spoon, a paper clip, and a vegetable peeler. After the mouth, I use a straightened paper clip to make the eyes. I poke it into the caramel and twirl it to make an eye hole, then lay it down at an angle to make sad eyes. Next, I put lines across the belly to look more like a root. I tried the paper clip and the peeler, and they both worked well. Then, using the paper clip, they all get a hole twirled in the top of their heads. After that, they get an espresso dirt bath. Rub lightly to get espresso into all their features, and then simply brush off the rest. Here are 3 small armies of mandrakes behind the tools that made their frowns. I got this greenery at Hobby Lobby. I cut it in small pieces with 3 or 4 leaves and about a 1/4-inch stem. Then I insert the stem into the hole on top of his head and give the caramel a little squeeze to lock it in. For big Harry Potter fans, these mandrake candies can help make the difference between a good party and a very special one. And special is just what we do for our families. And family is built at the dinner table. If you feed them, they will come.